Good morning, students. Today is the second class of Risk and Insurance Management. Last class we have discussed about the risk, the concept of risk versus uncertainties, and today we'll start, that is risk, the perils and the classifications of risk, loss, all the things which are related to the risk. So basically when we are discussing about the loss, what is the loss? In common sense, a man says that is what happened? The loss, which is, that is the income may be that is less than the expected. देखो जैसे हम बोलते हैं सब, that is in the business sense we can say that if you purchase this pen at the rate of rupees 50, if you sell it to the customer or to any other person, those who want, at the rupees of 45, it is a what? The completing loss. It means that is what happened. Our expectations is what happened. That is, we purchase the pen, purchase price is rupees 50. We desire to sell more. Mostly we can say that is, if we sell it for rupees 60, then we have a profit margin, profit of rupees 10. But if you, the same thing, if you, that is purchase it for, that is sell it for what? Rupees 40, then it is a what? Loss of the whatever rupees 10. So this is the what in the business sense. Actually, in the case of the business, in the finances or in the business sense, we can say that is, there is no compensation amount on the expired cost. The cost we have already put. If you get some compensation amount, then we say that there is no loss. And totally it is a loss, that is what happened, the below that of the expired cost of the company. So what is the chance? There is a chance of loss. There is a probability of loss, the chances, the probability. May or may not. May or may not. The probability, the chance of loss means there is definitely the loss, but loss can be determined. It is just a fraction of loss. The fraction of risk, that is the chances of the loss. We cannot ignore the loss. If there is a completely, we know that there is a risk. If there is a risk, we cannot ignore the loss. But the loss or the risk can be reduced, can be what happened controlled. Then what happens to fraction of the risk from fraction of the loss? That is the what? That is the complete. We can say that is the fraction of the risk or the loss in the business sector. The chance, and that is the what happened, that is the loss and the chance of the loss. Another we can say that is the perils. The risk is caused, or the risk contains the loss, the hazards. The company cannot avoid these hazards. And these hazards is what happened, maybe that to the whole community, to whole organization, to whole the personal, whatever it may be, the hazards creates the losses. So there is a what happened? The parents. It cannot be avoided, it cannot be ignored, it cannot be neglected these things. We have to take these things. So my dear students, when you are discussing about the what happened, the word of risk, risk is totally what happened, uncertainty, loss, chances of loss, and the perils. These are all what happened. That is stress. That is the what happened. The concept of contains in the concept of the risk. Okay. So this, when we are discussing about the concept of risk, the definition of the risk already we have defined in the last class. These are all the things. So what happened? That is the what related to the risk. Okay, students. So let us discuss about the what happened today. Is today's the aim of the class is that is for maintaining the classification of risk. That is the classification of risk. Risk of many types. We cannot say that is the only that is the what happened. Risk is only to that of the limited, but risk is of what? Many types. Before we are going to the discussion of the classification and many more about the risk, I have to that is classified the risk in many categories. But first, some experts who have experimented that is the risk, how they have made from the risk spectrum to the four risk, one and another, that is all are included in that of the business risk. Okay, so first of all let us classify that is the what happened, how that is first in my category of the first, that is Kloman's risk spectrum. Four types of risk. How this? So let us, I can explain through the help of the diagram. So let us But students, this is the Crohn's disease spectrum. That is the organ. There is one cycle, that is the organism, that is global risk. We can say that is the global risk. This is changes to the measure the 4 types of the risk. The global risk spectrum highlighted whatever the risk arises. The risk arises from the whatever political fragmentation. Yes. When we discuss about the various types of the business or the business risk, the business risk is totally affected by this all the factors. The political fragmentation is also one of the great, that is the global risk. If we say the risk is more where there is a political stability is not there, because the political stability is not there, means whatever instability political factors are there, that is instability politicals directly influences to the great, that is economic of our country, because the political plays a major role in the development of the country. If there is the instability is there, how there is the development will be there? Not in case of the single country, it is also related to the whole measure, that is developed countries also. So political factors is also highly essential for this of the what happened, that is global risk. Climate change, there is also direct impact, or the risk can be increased due to the some climatic factors. Okay? Because that is what we can say, that is various countries, they have the different, we have various countries have the not in the same climate in all over the world. So the climate is also changing, that is also hamper, that is to the business or to the natural lives also. So we can say there is some climate changes is also impacting that creates a risk. Okay? There is also aging and the population risk. Is it great? India is a populous country. India is a populous country. So, what you can say, that is the density of the population is much more than that of the comparison to that of the what? Developed countries. And here what happened, we can say that is as we are talking about the population, there is the population risk creates unemployment, the also negative impact on that of the economics, negative impact on the life standard of the peoples, many more things are come under this aging and the population risk. And there is also religious fundamentalism. Religious factor is also there. They are also creating the risk. If we discuss about, because India is a secular country, we may not have the such type of the religions, but in the if you discuss about country to country, there is also so many that is about the religious risk is also there. And then now the pandemic, that is what when we have now there is the corona disease. How there is a created pandemic, there is a pandemics. It is a great pandemic. Few days we have already, that is in the risk of this corona disease, that is also a great pandemic. It stopped the business will. It stopped the development of the countries. It stopped the world trade, everything. The financial problems is totally down. And there is another, that is the nuclear proliferations. The countries, they are showing their own power. The nuclear explosions, the nuclear proliferations, these are all the what happened, that is creating a what? So much of risk. We cannot desire or we cannot expect that the good things from these, all the categories of the global risk. And if you want to say that is we can control this risk means it is wrong. The risk basically it will be happen, the basically it will be take, but the probability of the risk may be less. We can reduce, we can control the risk. Let's say एक example लेंगे, आज जो pandemic चल रहा है जो कोरोना, with the help of the lockdown we can what happened? We can away from the coronavirus. But we are not safe. We are not safe because if you will not follow the rules, the social guidelines, whatever may be, then naturally the risk will be also there. So out of this global risk, this all the type of related to that, the four types of the basically that is what happened, the financial market risk, that is political, regulatory risk, the operational risk, and that of the legal liability. So one by one we can discuss that is all the things how this is very effective to these things, because these are the measure categories what we have or we are getting from this of the what happened, that is what the global risk. This is the what happened Cromwell's risk spectrum to categorize into the four types of the risk. So basically when we can say that is what happened, we have to discuss about that is under this the four major types of risk. One is that is strategic risk. Number two, that is the hazard risk. Number three, that is your operational risk. And financial risk. After discussing this risk, we will go to the business or different types of the business risk that will be discussed later part. So in this statistical risk, what it includes? That is the legal changes, legal risk occurs due to the mostly that is the legal changes. It may be the regulatory or the regulation or maybe the deregulations risk are there. Okay, and there is also changes occur in the or the risk carried due to the supply chain management. These also risks which are related to the supply chain management, that is also coming under the strategic risk. There is also that is the international agreement. Okay, you can say that is what happened. It is happened in the case of that is what happened setting up the industries or what happened. There is some international agreements is also done with the government, and thereafter they are what happened. They are away from that of the agreement sometimes. Because some risk also comes in that way. We know that in the case of the POSCO, what happens? Okay? So, there is also strategic risk is also or the comes in the trademark, certifications and product diversifications and some alliance when the two part companies are or two things are joined, they are creating the alliance. So these are what major static or the strategic risk is also there. What are the hazard risk? General liability, product liability. General liability means what you know, that is the what happened. So liabilities generally we are taking the risk of another things. Okay, that is also one thing, that is the general liabilities. The product liabilities and property damage, and there is a what about business interpretations is also there. Sometimes the business interpretations, sometimes some people are interfering into the business. The government is also, the government laws and rules, that is also they are interfering here. Terrorism is also the one of the, that is the hazard risk, terrorism. Okay, and there is also what happened, tampering and pollution, burglary. These are many more examples, that is what happened in the cause of the hazard risk. Because they are what happened, the hazards, they are creating some problems, and that is very creating great risk to the whole nations, to the human community, and also impact to that of the business. Okay. So in case of the operational risk, we can say that is we have to, that is contaminations, and there is also product traceabilities, that also create a what you can, the operational maybe the internal, maybe the external. There is also problems in that of the service systems. There is also problems in the compliance with the legal requirement, and there is some problems with the information technologies. The risk also arises, all the problems they are created in that of the what happened, that is the operational risk. And if we discuss about the financial risk, the credit risk is also there. Somebody, if you say you have given the loan, or somebody have taken the loan from us, how much we have? That surety about that is that credit will be recovered, and that is also what happened, facing so many problems. Then interest rate is also what happened. There is a creation of the interest in the market, there is a creation of the interest in the investors. There are so many things are there, and there is also some problems are arises in this what happened, that is the interest rate. And another, that is the what, currency risk, because inflation, deflation is also there, up and downs in the currency rate, and that also creating a lot of problems to that of the financial risk. And if you discuss about another, that is the what happened, the raw material prices. Sometimes when you are discussing about the raw material prices, it is also directly adverse effect or the negative effect to that of the what, to that of the business or the financial sector. Okay, because all the times the price is not stable, and for that purpose you have also maintaining stocks, and for that purpose you are also regulating the flow of the stocks. So many are interrelated with each other, and there is also some weather risk is also there. Okay, because due to the bad weathers, the weathers are not, or the weathers are not coming with the advancing. The weathers are what, not, that is forecasting. Okay, nowadays so many technologies are there, but we are predicting or we are forecasting only to the own natural weathers, but not of the other countries. Sometimes it may also create hazards due to these things. And liquidity and the counterparty risk is also there, and they are creating, that is more risk. So after that is all the things that is related to that of the Cloman's risk spectrum, to that of the measure, that is 4 types of the risk. Now we will discuss about the what are the business, that is the business risk. Or we can say the risk in finance. So dear students, now we will say that is what happened after going to the that is Kloman's risk spectrum. Now we can highlight about the risk in the finance. So here the risk in finance is totally classified into the systematic and the unsystematic risk. So when we are going to the systematic risk, what is systematic? It is totally related to the macroeconomics factor, okay, and it includes the unforeseen risk. On जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देता है, okay, the risk is also come from the investor sides, from the different factors are also related to the systematic risk. This is totally affected to the entire industries, not to the particular company. Not to single individual company, it is total industry. Means suppose if a company or what is the company and the industry? Company is a part of the industry. Okay? It means that is there are so many. For example, take the textile industry. Textile industry so many consists of so many companies. If there is a simple problems in the industries or the textile industries, it means that is the you mentioned that is due to the bad weather conditions, the whole cotton is what happened, that is wasted. Or that we can say that is it cannot be imported due to so many criteria of that, so many risks are there, जो कि हमें already पढ़ चुके हैं Kloman's risk spectrum में. वो भी हाजिर होते, that is totally industry, so totally the cottons cannot be imported. It means totally that is when the whole companies which are related to the industry or the textile industries, that is ruined, that is they face the problems. But here in the case of the unsystematic risks, it is a microeconomic, it is related to the microeconomic factors. See here, it is the macroeconomic factor and it is what? That is microeconomic factors. Microeconomic factors. So this is arranged consistently both on the internal and the external related to the what, that is the asset liquidity risk, the funding risk, and there is the exposure risk in the case of the financial risk, the exposure risk, recovery risk, the credit event risk, and the settlement risk, the operational risk, it is the model risk, people risk, legal risk, and the political risk. Let us explain what is the business risk. Business, we already created. Business is a probability or the we can say we cannot predict the profits from the starting of the business. There are a lot of factors are related to that of the business. Then maybe the asset liquidity risk is also there. Means the asset can be converted or cannot be converted into the liquidity or cash. That we have to think it. The funding liquidity also that which are collected the funds which may be utilized in proper manner or utilized maybe in the right time, that we have to think it. And that is also create or increases the risk also. And that is the financial risk. We can say that it is the exposure risk, which is totally known to all. It is the non-exposure risk, known to that all that is the experts of the people's or the risk which can be seen to overall throughout the business around. And another, we can say the recovery risk, some hazards with the loan, the money which have been invested that can be recovered, or chance of recovery is there or not, that we have to also see. And that is the credit event risk. The main credit आना क्रेडिट जाना दोनों को भी देता है. क्रेडिट मिलना ये भी मुश्किल होता है. क्रेडिट जो गया जो जिसको दिए उसे रिकॉर्ड करना भी वो भी है. That is one of the greatest difficulty. And another settlement. In what way? There some problems are there with the investors, with the government, with many agencies or many people surrounding the business. the settlement should be made with the what? That is the clients or the customers. And there is also great risk in that. Business also facing so many this type of risks. In operational, we have already discussed that is in the Cloman's spectrum that we know that is how this operational risk. There is a model risk, product risk is also there, people risk is also there. The people, there is also so many people which are engaged in the functioning of the operation of the business, that is the finance. They are also creating some problems. Legal, which may be the regulatory or the deregulation changes in the cases, that is also created risk. And there is the political stability. Already we have discussed in the Cloman's spectrums. So this, my dear students, that is all the things which are basically or totally related to the classification of risk. Okay, and in the next class we will details of other things. Okay, have a nice day. Stay home and safe. Thank you.